In this video, I want to show you right quick. I have a font that's called NN America from Creative Fabrica, and when I type it out, it actually types out all, all in one color. So to get it like this, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll go ahead and type it out. America, okay, and then I'll select it and make it larger. All right, so what I need to do then is right click and break it apart. Okay, now you'll see that all my stars disappeared, but don't worry about that. I'm going to select all of this top part, and then I'm going to right click and merge, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift Control B. Okay, then I can go ahead and change these colors, and I can have two different colors, and it's as easy as that. I have a lot of fonts that have shapes and stuff on the inside of them, and I like to be able to change the colors, and I thought I would show you guys how to do that in case you didn't know how. Now, when you go to cut this, I suggest you use cut by color. Okay, make sure this is fill color, because if it's stroke color, you're going to only have one layer and it's all going to cut out of one color. Fill color gives you the blue layer and the red layer. Also make sure that this is set to separate jobs. Okay, cut each color separately. That way you'll cut your blue, the machine will stop. You can put your red material in and it will cut your red material. Unless you want to cut your red first, you can select this layer and just drag it up to the top. Then you can cut the red and then the blue. Make sure that your settings are set here to whatever they need to be. Okay, and then you're cut by color. So that's it. I just really wanted to show you how you can break this apart so you can get them in, different colors.